Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the CRED, UPI, bills, credit cards, app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. CRED is a financial management and rewards app designed for users who want a seamless way to pay credit card bills, manage UPI payments, and track their credit scores. Built primarily for individuals with a higher credit score, the app provides an organized dashboard where you can manage multiple credit cards, get bill reminders, and make secure payments. It's available on both iOS and Android and integrates with UPI for instant transactions. The app's main feature is its credit card bill payment system. Users earn CRED coins and rewards each time they pay their bills through the app. These rewards can be redeemed for discounts, offers, and access to exclusive brands. It also provides real-time credit score tracking, UPI payments, bill management tools, and curated financial insights designed to help users maintain healthy credit habits. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its smooth interface, instant bill payments, exclusive rewards, and detailed credit score updates. The UPI feature adds convenience by allowing everyday payments directly through the app. Users also like its organized layout for managing multiple credit cards without confusion. However, there are some drawbacks. The reward value can feel inconsistent depending on the offer, and some users feel the redemption system could be more flexible. The app is primarily designed for users with higher credit scores, so not everyone may qualify. Additionally, the reward system and premium features sometimes fluctuate based on availability. In summary, the CRED app may be worth using if you want a clean, secure, and reward-based platform to manage credit card bills, track your credit score, and handle UPI payments. However, if you're looking for guaranteed high-value rewards or do not maintain a strong credit profile, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.